Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
做马哥呀！
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Hey there, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 大家好，我係美嘉。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。其实这个月我们都在讲一些居住环境啊，住过什么大楼啦、公寓啦，少一个别墅吗？对，你有住过 villa 吗？
想住的，
对，
住不起的，
只有旅游的时候会住，对自己住不起。Okay, how do you say a villa 别墅？
撇总
okay, and there are a lot of them around Taipei actually. Like 在新店郊区也有很多别墅社区。Around the 新店 area, there are a lot of villa communities.
啲景點總下所猜，
啲景點總下所猜，
有洞道，撇總沙期，
撇總沙期，一個社區沙期。Okay, that's a community. 撇總 again is a villa community. Very nice. 放假的時候呢，他總會去他鄉間的別墅度假。其實往鄉區走可能會比較買得起這些別墅。
對，就等你買了。
All right, so during vacation time, he would always go back to his villa in the countryside.
不用了解下，幾都會去，總下嘅撇總，了一下，
玩一下，去度假一下，對不對？了一下那樣子，很好。Let's review some of the phrases we taught you, including a villa 別墅，撇總 and then a community 社區，
沙期
and how about that vacation? On vacation 放假，
不用了。
And there you have it. 希望大家都放假的時候有一個 villa 可以去玩玩咯。Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.